Hello, friends. Not a ton of changes today. A couple of little boys. First one, we added a height input down over here. So again, I need to put in the actual possibilities for units, but you can use pixels, you can use percent, you can use view height, you can use view width. Really anything that's allowed by the browser. So using height, I'm not sure how much I want to allow you to be able to use height because it does just cause some weird layout issues if you don't know how to fix them. You can get to this a point where you had something that was already centered vertically, but then you change the height, and then if you just change the height, it might not necessarily keep the centered aspect of it. So it's there. I'm not sure if it'll stay unless I want to show it on just a few special occasions, but we will see as I'm building this out now. Might as well keep it. It's a tool for me mostly right now. Some other things, let me see. In the realm of keyboard shortcuts, I've now added an escape key. So if you have the editor mode open, if you hit escape, it'll just clear the current edit. So you can see the entire screen at once. Again, not sure this is something that I want to keep because I might want to make escape do something different. Just clear, for instance, like if you're on some sort of input and you click on it and then you hit escape, maybe I just want that to clear that instead of doing something different, like closing up this entire sidebar. Other thing, if you leave edit mode and you have no current edit, when you come back to editor mode, if you hit the E key, I'm just going to default to having the entire page root as the current edit. So you're not going to get into a situation where you're on preview, you click on to edit, and then there's still nothing that actually looks as though it changed. I'm just going to open up the side pane so that you can get started on editing. So I notice when I do that, I wish that I could immediately start hitting up or down, left or right to get to the actual element that I want to edit. Instead of having to move over and click. So I think that I am going to try to implement that next to where I can just hit up, down, and not need to touch my mouse to actually select what I want to work on. And then from there, you know, maybe get the keyboard doing everything. Who's to say? That's all for today. Not a ton of huge changes, but small improvements. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.